Imagine waking up, rolling over to check your phone, and seeing money deposited into your account without doing anything overnight. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. That's just the power of passive income. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you real ways to make money while you sleep. Because let's be honest, who doesn't want to get paid while watching Netflix, scrolling down YouTube, social media and all? I mean, we all want to sleep and get paid. And this isn't one of the get rich quick schemes. These are real sustainable ways to generate good income, which people are actually using now. So if you're ready on this one, give this video a like, grab a notebook and pen, because this could be a game changer for you. And the first on my list is print on demand business. Have you seen those mugs, funny t-shirts, phone cases with cool designs and quotes? Someone is actually making money off them. Why can't it be you? So with print on demand business, you don't need to handle inventory, you don't need to handle shipping. All you need to do is to create a design. Once you create it, upload it on Printify, Teespring, Redbubble. If you're monetized, there are other platforms that you can also upload them on. Once you create your design, that is it. There's no upfront cost for this. There's no storage or inventory. You only do the work once and start earning. Is this not amazing? Imagine selling a simple t-shirt for £25 and you're making £10 gain on it, even if it is £5 gain on it. So imagine when you have so much sales on that. So if you're making like a £10 gain on it, imagine if 100 people buy, that's £1,000 in passive income. So if you're not a designer, maybe you don't know how to design and all that, you can hire a freelancer. You can use Fiverr to come up with something, and you can do this. It's not until you're monetized before you can do it. Even if you're on YouTube and you're not monetized, you can do it. This will generate great income for you. Anybody at all can register on this site. You don't have to be a social media person. You can register on it, create your designs and all, and you start earning. The second one on my list is create and sell a course online. If you're a teacher or you know a particular skill, you can create a course and you can sell your skills. You can sell recipes. If you're cooking, you're very skilled in cooking, you can sell your recipes online. If you're an editor, you can teach people, create a course on editing, sell it online. Whatever knowledge you possess, turn that knowledge into a course and it will pave ways for you. So platforms like Kajabi, Udemy, Teachable, and so much others like that will let you create your course and also sell them. The best part is that you only have to record this course once, upload it, and earn money for each time anybody enrolls on it. For instance, if you sell a course of how to start a YouTube channel, just for an instance, let's assume you sell it for £50. If 100 people buy it, that is £5,000 for you, passive income over time. You don't need to be an expert on this, just know what you're doing. Be knowledgeable in what you're sharing and create this course. Once you've created the course keeps making money for you forever. You can even make updates and raise the price over time. The third one is affiliate marketing. Have you ever bought something because an influencer recommended it? Maybe one of your favorite YouTuber recommended it. That's affiliate marketing. You promote other people's products and you earn commission on it whenever anybody buys from that link. So this is how it works. You can sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or even Impact. Get a special tracking link for the product that you want to recommend. If someone clicks your link to buy, then you earn a commission from there. For instance, if you recommend a £500 camera and you get a 5% commission on it, you'll be making £25 per sale. So if you get 50 people to buy that in a month, you're going to be making a whopping £1,250 in a month in passive income. For this affiliate, you don't need to create your own products. You're only recommending other people's products. So this works so much on YouTube, on Instagram. It also works for blogs. So you can promote anything that you already love or things that you use. So you can write product reviews, share links on your description, because this will drive traffic for you. The fourth one is investing in dividend stocks. Now this one is for those that want their money to work for them. When you invest in dividend stocks, you get paid for just owning a share of the company. Many big companies like Coca-Cola, Apple, and Microsoft pay dividends every quarter. Imagine if you put your money to use and you're able to invest in any of these. Be certain that in every quarter you'll be getting something in return, which is very good. So let's say you own 100 shares of a particular stock that pays £2 per share in dividends. That's an extra £200 in a year, even if the stock price does not change. Your money grows over time. You get paid even when the stock goes down. And let me tell you the truth, some investors live off dividend income alone. Another tip I'll be giving you is to reinvest your dividends to grow your money even faster. The fifth one on my list is rental properties and Airbnb. If you own a house or an apartment, renting it out is a classic passive income strategy. But here's the real trick. Short-term rentals like Airbnb can make more money than traditional renting. Long-term renting equals consistent income. But for Airbnb, it can result to higher nightly rates and flexible pricing. Even if you don't own a house, you can do rental arbitrage. This is where you rent a property and you sublet it for Airbnb for more money. For instance, if you rent a property for 1,200 per month and then you're subletting it for Airbnb for 2,500 per month, that means you're making an extra whopping £1,300 in profit. If you're doing this, you should look for properties in high demand areas and offer great photos and amenities for you to be able to get better bookings. And the last one on my list is selling ebooks on Amazon. So if you love writing, why not sell ebooks on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, also known as KDP? No need to print out anything, it's all digital. Amazon will be the one to market it for you and you'll be earning royalties on each sale forever. For instance, if you sell an ebook for £10, you're making a £7 profit per ebook. When you sell 500 copies, it means you have made over £3,500 in passive income. Even if you're not a writer, you can hire ghostwriters on Fiverr and sell books in profitable niches like in business, health, self-help, and so on and so forth. Another thing you can do is to optimize your ebook with keywords and run Amazon ads for more sales. Remember, work once and earn forever is the real goal for passive income. Amongst all these that I have mentioned, there's definitely a passive income stream for everyone. So if you found this video very helpful, please like it. Please let me know in the comment section which of these passive income ideas would you be using. And on my end screen, you'll definitely be seeing a video here. Please do well to watch it as this will impact you greatly. If you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe as you'll be seeing more awesome content like this. Thank you so much, amazing people, for always coming back to watch my videos. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And until I see you in my next video, have an amazing day ahead and bye for now.